Right. Right on next. Problem number 12. Find the equations of question number 12. Find the equations of the circles for which the points given below are A or E are the endpoints of a diameter So now in this second one, first one homework here. Minus 4 comma 3, 3 comma minus 4. Now what is the formula for finding the endpoints of the diameter of a circle? Anybody? Very good. See now, listen. Red. Take the circle. Now here, what is the diameter? AB is the diameter. What is the first point? That is x1, y1. What is the second point? That is x2, y2. What is the equation of the diameter of a circle? What is the formula? That is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equals to a. What is given A here? Minus 4 comma 3. What is B here? 3 comma minus 4. Okay now? Now here see x minus, what is x1? Minus 4. X minus x2 3 plus y minus, what is y1? 3. Now y minus y2 minus 4. Now this is equals to 0. Now x minus into minus how much? Plus 4. X minus 3 plus y minus 3 into y minus into minus plus 4 is equals to 0. Now multiply these two. X into x how much? X square. X into minus minus 3x plus 4x plus into minus minus 4 is a 12. And here y into y square plus 4y minus 3y minus 2y equals to 0. Now see here what we are getting here, x square plus y square minus 3x plus 4x plus x plus 4y minus 3y plus y minus 12 minus 12. How much? Minus 24 equals to 0. Remember this formula. This is very very important. End points of the diameter formula. Remember all of you. What is the formula? x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equals to 0. Okay. ఇందులో homework చేయండి మిగతా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. 12th లో homework మీకు చూడండి. ఫస్ట్ వన్, థర్డ్ వన్, ఫోర్త్ వన్, ఫిఫ్త్ వన్, సిక్స్త్ వన్, సెవెంత్ వన్ అండ్ ఎయిత్ వన్. సేమ్ ప్రాసెస్. ఓకేనా? అట్లయితే సేమ్ ఓన్లీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ చెప్పేస్తున్నా. మెథడ్ ఒకటి చెప్పేస్తున్నా, మీరు మిగతా చేస్తే obtain the parametric equation, parametric P-A-R-A-M-E-T-R-I-C. Obtain the parametric equation, of each of the following circles. Each of the following circles. What is that first one? Write down x square plus y square equals to 4. X square plus y square equals to 4. See now, this in which form? X square plus y square equals to r square. Now r square equals to 4. What is r value here? Root 4 is equals to 2. Okay now. What is parametric equations? Formula endra x equals to x plus r cos theta, y equals to k plus r sin theta. Okay na? Now what is the center of this circle? Center enta dindi? Origin gal 0, 0. Okay na? See now this in which form? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square. X minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equals to r square. What is h here? 0. K is also 0. Okay na? In form lo undante center is 0 means origin. Okay na? Now here what is h here? H means 0. What is r value? 2 cos theta. And what is k? 0. What is r value? Sin theta. Okay na? Now this is equals to 2 cos theta, 2 sin theta. Okay na? Now see here x comma y equals to what, that is 2 cos theta comma 2 sin theta. These are parametric equations. Remember these two formulas. X equals to x plus r cos theta, y equals to k plus r sin theta. Is it clear? Write down second one. 4 into x square plus y square equals to 9. X square plus y square equals to what? 9. 4 goes that side, then by 4. Okay na? Do it same process. See which form? Change same process. అయిపోయిందా? Remaining 3, 4, 5, 6 homework. Yes. What is the answer? 3 by 2 cos theta, 3 by 2 sin theta. Okay na? What is r value? Root 9 by 4. Then that is 3 by 2. Root 9 is nothing but 3. Root 4 is nothing but 2. Now x equals to what? H plus r cos theta, y equals to k plus r sin theta. Then this is also center means 0. 0 plus 3 by 2 cos theta, 0 plus 3 by 2 sin theta. What is x comma y? Now we have 3 by 2 cos theta, comma 3 by 2 sin theta. That's it. Okay? Understood what is the process? How we can find the parametric equations. Okay? Remaining are homework na. ఇంకా చూడండి ఇంకా 4 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. 3, 4, 5, 6 homework. Here. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? అయిపోయిందారా? నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్ వీక్ ఫస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం. Second bit, first problem. Right down. Then this is completed. Write down. If the axis of points break then capital A comma B are the roots of the equation x square plus 2ax minus b square equals to 0 and ordinates of a comma b are roots of y square plus 2py minus q square equals to 0. Then find the equation of a circle for which AB is a diameter. AB is a diameter. Okay. Abscissa means what is abscissa? Yeah. Abscissa means what? That is x coordinates. Okay na? Ordinate means y coordinates. Okay na? Abscissa means x coordinates and ordinate means y coordinates. See what is given here. If the abscissa of points a comma b are the roots of the equation x square plus 2ax minus b square equals to 0. Now here see what is the x coordinates here, that is x1 y1. Okay. Now what is the roots here? The roots is x minus x1 into x minus x2. Now that is given how much, that is x square plus 2ax minus b square. Okay now this is given. And next one in x1 comma x2 this one abscissa kada x coordinates. And next one ordinates. Ordinate means what, that is y1 y2. Okay na. If roots and then the x minus alpha into x minus beta equals 0 meeku maths 2a lo vastayi quadratic equations. Quadratic equations single kada. Okay na. Here x1 and x2 are the roots of the given equation, means x minus x1 into x minus x2 is equals to what is given, x square plus 2ax minus b square. Okay na. Next ordinate means what, y coordinates means what, that is y1 y2. So what is the roots here, y minus y1 into y minus y2 equals to what is the given roots, y square plus 2py minus q square. Okay na. Now here already we know the formula. What is that? The end points of the diameter. What is the formula? This is equals to 0. Now already we know x minus x1 into x minus x2 how much? X square plus 2ax minus b square plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 how much? Y square plus 2by minus b square. That's it, over. Okay. Here what? Write down the circle form. Means x square plus y square the end points of the diameter of the circle. అంటే ఈ లైన్ ఈక్వేషన్ డయామీటర్ ఉందా, డయామీటర్ ఈక్వేషన్ క్వశ్చన్ పెద్దగా ఉంది, ఆన్సర్ చిన్నగా ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా? దిస్ ఈస్ ఫర్ 4 marks. 4 marks. ఆబ్సిస్ మీన్స్ x కోఆర్డినేట్, కోఆర్డినేట్ అంటే y కోఆర్డినేట్. ఓకే, ఇంపార్టెంట్. 4 marks అడిగింది ఒకసారి ఫైనల్ ఎగ్జామ్ లో. Remember, abscissa means x coordinate, coordinate means y coordinate. Okay? Second variant. Find the equation of a circle. Find the equation of a circle which passes through 2, -3 and -4, 5. Which passes through 2, -3 and -4, 5 and having the center on having the center on 4x plus 3y plus 1 equals to 0. ఓకే, ఆల్రెడీ మోడల్ చేసినాం. ఏం చేయాలి చెప్పండి, ప్రాసెస్ గుర్తుందా? ఫస్ట్ రీడ్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్ వన్స్. ఒకసారి ప్రాసెస్ చెప్తే మీకు గుర్తొస్తుంది చూడండి. ఫస్ట్ we take the general form of the circle equation. Take that is equation number 1. So equation 1 is passing through the points 2 and 3. Okay na? First point substitute చేస్తే equation number 2. Second point substitute చేస్తే equation number 3. Third point, third equation is this line equation. This line lies on the center. This line is passing through the center. Means for that is x plus లో minus g, y plus లో minus m. 3 ఈక్వేషన్స్ వచ్చినాయి కదా, 2, 3, 4 వచ్చినాయి కదా. అవి సాల్వ్ చేస్తే GFC వాల్యూస్ వస్తాయి. దాన్ని తీసుకపోయి ఈక్వేషన్ 1 లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి. ఇది సర్కిల్ ఈక్వేషన్. చేస్తారా? హోంవర్క్ చేస్తారా? ఒకటి మిగతా హోంవర్క్ ఇచ్చేసి. రీజన్ సి. వాట్ ఈస్ ద general form of the circle equation? Okay, this is equation number 1. Now equation 1 is PT means what, that is passing through. Okay, passing through which points, that is 2, -3 and -4, 5. Take the first point. What is the first point? 2, -3. X value is 2, y value is -3. So substitute in the equation number 1. 2 square -3 whole square is 2g into 2 2f into -3 plus c equals to 0. 2 square is 4 plus 9 plus 4g minus 6f plus c equals to 0. Now here 4g minus 6f plus c equals to 9 plus 4 how much? 13. Plus 13 goes to minus 7. Take this is equation number. Take the second point. What is that? Remember, Babe. -4, 5. So what we are getting? -4 whole square plus 5 square plus 2g into -4 plus 2f into 5 equals to plus
25 minus 8 g
plus
plus plus C equals to 0.
So now minus 8g plus 10f plus c equals to 25 plus 16 how much?
41.
41. Plus 41 goes that side.
Minus 41.
Take this is equation number.
192 divided 3.
And next what? The center is lies on the line.
Line.
So now the center, what is that? Minus g comma minus a. Center what? That is minus g comma minus a is passing through the line. What is that? 4x plus 3y plus 1 equals to 0. What is x here? Minus c. What is y here? Minus f. Now 4 into minus g plus 3 into minus f plus 1 equals to 0. Minus 4g minus 3f plus 1 equals to 0. Okay, this is equation number. Okay? Right. Listen. ఇంతవరకు చేస్తారు మీరు ఇంతవరకు చేస్తారు పక్కా చేస్తారు ఇక్కడనే పోతారు ఇక్కడ నుంచే రౌండ్ చేస్తారు ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ ఏం చేయాలని అర్థం కాదు వినండి ఫస్ట్ ఈక్వేషన్ నెంబర్ 2 లో c ఉంది ఈక్వేషన్ నెంబర్ 3 లో కూడా c ఉంది ఏం చేస్తారు c ని ఎలిమినేట్ చేస్తారు c ని డిలీట్ చేయాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి 2 మైనస్ 3 చేయాలి ఓకేనా 2 మైనస్ 3 చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది చెప్పండి చూడండి 4g minus 6f plus 6. Next time the equation number 3 minus into minus kya plus 3g minus into plus 8g minus c this is equals to what minus 30 plus 41 okay ఇక్కడ plus c minus c ఇంకా మీకు అట్లా అనిపిస్తుంది ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి 4g plus 8g నిజార్ 4g plus 8g 12g minus 6f minus 10f minus 16f ఓకేనా now next term this is equals to what 41 minus 13 20 ఓకేనా so what we are getting common 4 common వస్తుంది కదా 4 common 3g minus 4f equals to 28 means what 4 7 4 4 cancel 3g minus 4f equals to 7 take this is equation number okay next is చేయాలి చూడండి equation 4 and 5 సాల్వ్ చేయాలి by using which method intersection or cross section okay na now see here ఎవరా మాట్లాడేది సురేష్ ఎవరు సురేష్ అంటే right see now equation number 4 what is that what is f coefficient minus 3 and next step g coefficient minus 2 next equation 5 what is f coefficient minus 4 minus 7 next 3 this is what g and f see now g by what we are getting here minus 3 into minus 7 minus into minus plus and f by 3 minus 20 1 by 16 plus g equals to what 25 minus 25 ये कैंसिल है g equals to anything f equals to anything okay na next we have to find out the value of c substitute g and f values in this equation that is తీసుకుందాం substitute gf in equation 2 okay what we are getting 4 into 1 minus 6 into minus 1 plus c equals to minus 13 minus 13 now we have 4 plus 6 plus c equals to minus 6 equals to what? Minus 30 plus 10. Plus 10 outside is there. What is C value? Minus 20. Next ఏం చేస్తారు? Substitute GFC in equation. Okay na? Don't write this. వినండి ఫస్ట్ చెప్పేటప్పుడు వింటే మీరే ఓన్గా చేసుకోవచ్చు. x square plus y square plus 2gx. What is g value? 2 into 1 into x plus 2 into what is f value? Minus 1 into y plus what is c value? Minus 23 equals to 0. What is our final equation here? X square plus y square plus 2x minus 2y minus 23 equals to 0. This is our required equation of the circle. Okay na? This is for 7 marks. Okay. Because 4 marks are the one step. Maximum 7 marks are the you want to very important. Write down fast. Faster answer. Find the equation of a circle which is concentric with x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 12 equals to 0 and passing through equation rashila x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 12 equals to 0 and passing through minus 2 comma 14 minus 2 comma 14. See listen. This is given circle equation. The circle equation is passing through which point? Minus 2 comma 14. Now you take this is x and y. Concentric circles means the two circles are having the same center. The two circles are having the same center. This is called as what? Concentric circles. So now the given circle is this is passing through which point? Minus 2 comma 14. Substitute x place the minus 2, y place the 14. What we are getting here? Minus 2 whole square. Now 14 whole square minus 6 into minus 2 minus 4 into 14 minus 12 equals to 0. Minus 2 whole square 14 square minus into minus 6 2 ja 14 4 ja 56 minus 12 equals to 0. Now see here what we are getting here. Almost 196 plus 400 200 plus 12 minus 12 it's cancel. 200 minus 56 140. Okay now. So now this is what C dash. The two circles having the same center. Now what is our equation here? X square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y. C dash means what? That is 144 equals to 0. This is our required equation. Center is same for both the circles. Center enter ikkada. What is the center of the first circle? 3 2 kada. This 3 2 ne kada. Two circles having the same center kada. Constant అనేది change అయ్యింది. Okay na? Right. That is called as what? Concentric circle. Find the equation of the circle. Find the equation of the circle whose center lies on the x-axis. Whose center lies on the x-axis x-axis and passing through minus 2 comma 3 minus 2 comma 3 and 4 comma 5. Okay na? See now. What is general form of the circuit? Take this is equation number. So here listen. What is given? Whose center lies on the x-axis. Center lies on the right. Remember. X-axis. And then ikkada y portion that is 0. So now then equation becomes x square plus y square plus 2gx plus c equals to 0. Take this is equation number 2. Now this is passing through which point, that is minus 2 comma 3 and 4 comma 5. Right? ఎవరైనా వచ్చి చెప్పండి మరి మీ ఇంట్లో ప్రాబ్లం చెప్పండి రా ఎవరన్నా. Take the first point and do the same process. Okay na? Do it. Take first equation, that is general form of the circle. X-axis means what, that is y becomes 0. And the equation becomes x square plus y square plus 2gx plus c equals 0. That is passing through the given points. Okay? Substitute first point is substitute. First point substitute. What is the first point? Minus 2 comma 3. Second equation lo substitute cheyandi ra. Right. Second equation lo minus 2 comma 3 substitute cheyandi. ఏమొస్తుంది? 4 plus 9 plus 2g into minus 2 plus c equals to 0. 13 minus 4g c equals to 0. Minus 4g plus c equals to minus 13. Take this is equation number 3. Next step 4 comma 5. What we are getting? 4 square means 16 plus 25 plus 2g into 4 c equals 0. 41 plus 80 c equals to 0. 80 plus c equals to minus 1. Take this is equation number 4. ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? సీని ఎలిమినేట్ చేయాలి. అంటే 3 minus 4 చేయాలి. 3 minus 4 ఏమవుతుంది? minus 4g plus c minus 8g minus c minus 13 plus 41 plus c minus c gets cancelled. Minus 4g minus 8g minus 12g equals to 41 minus 13 28. What is g value? 88 by minus 12. 4 7 the 4 is right. What is g and minus 7 by 8? G substitute చేయండి. c వస్తుంది. దీంట్లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తాము. 3 లో కానీ 4 లో కానీ. ఓకేనా? All of you getting up to G value? Let's substitute G in equation number 3. What is C value? C వచ్చిందా ఎవరికైనా? Anybody is getting C value? Now substitute G in equation 3. What we are getting here? Minus 4 into what is G value? Minus 7 by 3. Plus C equals to minus 30. So 28 by 3 plus C equals to minus 30. What is C value? Minus 13 plus 28 by 3 goes that side, minus 28 by 3. What is the LCM here? 3. 13 3 jayantara. Minus 39. Minus 28. How much? Minus 67 by 3. Okay na? G తెలుసు, C తెలుసు. What is F? F అంటే 0 నే కదా. ఈక్వేషన్ లో ఏందమ్మా? On the x axis means y coefficient is 0 means 2f equals 0 means f equals to 0. Now substitute GFC in equation number 1. Okay, equation 1 lo substitute చేయండి. What are you getting? X square plus y square plus 2 into what is G value? Minus 7 by 3 into x plus what is f, that is 0, plus what is C? Minus 67 by 3 is equals to 0. Enter LCM. LCM 3 gara. So then 3 into x square plus y square minus 14x minus 67 is equals to 0. What is our final equation? Into x square plus y square minus 14x minus 67 is equals to 0, or 3x square plus 3y square. Okay na? This is our required equation of the circuit. మా సెవెంత్ వన్ జస్ట్ ప్రాసెస్ చెప్తా, మీరు చేయండి. అరే కంప్లీటెడ్ దిస్ వన్. సెవెంత్ వన్ రైట్ డౌన్. అయిపోయిందా? రైట్. ABCD is a square. Then show that the points capital A, B, C, D. A comma B comma C and D are consecutive. Are consecutive. And then the ABCD is a square.
Then
Show that
the points ABCD are constant.
capital A comma B comma C and D are consecutive. Okay. And then చూడండి ఇక్కడ take the square. Take this is x axis, y axis, and this is called as origin. Origin means what? That is 0 comma
0.
x axis means y point is 0 కదా. Then suppose A అనుకుంటాం. A comma వినండి. ఈ పాయింట్స్ ఇస్తారు. Y axis means x equals 0 కదా. 0 comma. What is the point of intersection here? Comma. 4 points వచ్చినాయి కదా. There listen. Take this is x axis and this is y axis. This is called as what? Origin. Origin means what? That is 0 comma 0. X axis అంటే y equals to 0 కదా. అంటే a comma 0. Some point a అనుకుంటాం. Next y axis అంటే x equals to 0. Then 0 comma a. Now here what is the point of intersection? A and a కదా. A comma a. So first point take this is denoted by a. This is b. This is c and this is ఓకేనా. ఫస్ట్ ఏం తీసుకుంటారు? జనరల్ ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ ది సర్కిల్ తీసుకోరు. ఏంటి? x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. That is equation number 1. One is passing through first a. ఓకేనా. నెక్స్ట్ ఏంటి? ఇది ఈక్వేషన్ నెంబర్ 2 వస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ b 3. ఈక్వేషన్ నెంబర్ 4 ఇది తీసుకోండి. b తీసుకోండి. ఏదైనా తీసుకోవచ్చు. 2 3 4 తీసుకుంటారు కదా. తీసుకున్న తర్వాత మనకి సాల్వ్ ద ఈక్వేషన్స్ వి ఆర్ గెటింగ్ జిఎఫ్సి వాల్యూస్. దెన్ వి ఆర్ గెటింగ్ ద సర్కిల్ ఈక్వేషన్. ఈక్వేషన్ వస్తుంది కదా 3 పాయింట్స్ తెలుసు కదా ఎట్లా చేయాలి. వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఈక్వేషన్ లో ఫోర్త్ పాయింట్ ని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే ఇట్ ఇస్ బికమ్స్ 0 రావాలి. అర్థమైందా? ఫస్ట్ జనరల్ ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ ది సర్కిల్ తీసుకుంటారు కదా. దాంట్లో ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్ తీసుకోండి 0 comma 0. ఒక ఈక్వేషన్ వస్తుంది కదా. సెకండ్ పాయింట్ తీసుకోండి b. సెకండ్ ఈక్వేషన్ వస్తుంది కదా. నెక్స్ట్ థర్డ్ పాయింట్ తీసుకోండి d. దట్ ఈస్ 0 comma a. 3 పాయింట్స్ వస్తాయి కదా. ఈక్వేషన్ సాల్వ్ చేయండి. అంటే c ని ఎలిమినేట్ చేసి చేస్తాం కదా ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ మెథడ్ యూజ్ చేసి. జిఎఫ్సి సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే మనకి సర్కిల్ ఈక్వేషన్ వస్తుంది. వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఫోర్త్ పాయింట్ ఉందా c a comma a. ఆ ఈక్వేషన్ లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే కంపల్సరీ 0 కావాలి. 0 అయితే then it is called as consecutive. Is it clear? Understood? What's the time now? మా ఆఫ్ చేసినావా?